Hello, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers, for experience, as well as remote job opportunities. So let me share those details with you. So Moon Techno Labs is hiring for freshers. So they are hiring iOS developers, Windows developer, QA engineer, WordPress developer, right? So multiple job opportunities are there in this particular company, and the location is Ahmedabad. You can connect with them via email. The email address has been provided from the HR. Apart from this, there is a work from home job opportunity for QA engineers, manual testers. So experience required is 3 to 6 years. The CTC provided would be 8 to 16 LPA. Company is Silver Skills Private Limited. They are looking for someone who can do manual testing, RESTful API, database, SQL, Power Query, and interested candidates are requested to share their updated resumes at this email address. Then Vama Software is hiring for multiple positions. So they are hiring for QA trainee, fresher to 6 months, and apart from that, there are multiple job opportunities from freshers to experience level. And the email address has been provided. They have also provided the WhatsApp number. Glean is hiring software engineers at Bangalore. So location is Bangalore, and the link is also provided. So I'll be sharing this link in the comment section of the video so we can apply from there. One more job opportunity, which is with respect to QA engineer. So only Mumbai candidates, local candidates, they can apply. And the required qualification is 1+ years of experience as a QA engineer or similar role, and strong experience in software development lifecycle and QA methodologies. Interested candidate can share their CV at this email address. Persistent is hiring for below roles in Pune as well as in Bangalore location. So QA automation with networking 5+ years, QA automation with radio network planning telecom 7+ years, performance test engineer 6+ years, QA automation Python and Selenium 6+ years. And here is the email address that they have provided. Then CGI company is having openings for automation testing, and you can share your profile at this email address. So this is a referral email address that has been provided, so you can apply to that. And they are looking for API automation testers. API automation testing is the priority from their side. Experience is 4 to 7 years. Category is software development engineering. Location is Bangalore. Position ID is also provided. And they are looking for someone who is having skill set in API automation, Selenium-based UI automation, Cucumber, Java, REST assured. Good to have is Karate framework, JavaScript, understanding of financial industry and brokerage domain. Then there are multiple job opportunities for QA manual testers. So Wheels Eye company is hiring for location Gurugram, 1 to 3 years, and the email address is provided in Skyleaf Global, 1 to 5 years, again Gurugram, but it is hybrid. The email address is also mentioned. Remote job opportunity for manual testers are also there. Then VLogic is hiring for experience of 3 to 4 years. Location is Trivandrum, and you can apply over here. And this is also a remote job opportunity for manual tester, minimum 5 years of experience required. And herein you can apply. So there are multiple job opportunities for testers, remote as well as hybrid, and work from office. You can apply for all these job opportunities today itself, because the job market has opened, and it would be good if you apply as soon as possible so that you can get your interviews being scheduled, and you can increase your chances of getting shortlisted for the job opportunity. Right. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.